Welcome to Spareblaze.com, your one-stop destination for genuine spare parts, both OEM and aftermarket. Ordering is simple. Just head to Spareblaze.com and type your required part in the search bar. If your part is listed, add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you're done. Can't find your part? No worries. Simply fill out our quick inquiry form with your vehicle and part details. Once we receive your request, our team will source it for you. If the part isn't available in India, we'll arrange it from our trusted international vendors. With our huge inventory of aftermarket and OEM spare parts and strong global network, we make sure you get the right part, delivered on time. Spareblaze.com, find, fix, drive, your trusted partner for every spare part you need.